Hello students, myself Abhi Samanto. Hope you are all well and safe at your home. Today, in this video, I am going to discuss cell practice 2C from the chapter large numbers. So let's start today's lesson. Dear students, in the previous videos, we have learned numbers in Indian system. How to write the numbers in Indian system, the standard form, the word form. Okay, so you have learned that ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period, and in ones period the places are ones, 10, 100, in thousand, thousand, 10,000, in lakhs, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, crore, and 10 crore. You have learned it. Okay, if I write this, that means what will be the standard form? The standard form will be this 25, then 14, then 37, then 161. So you can write either by comma or by giving space. Okay, according to their periods. Okay, so today we will learn numbers in international system. How to write, how to read the numbers in international system. So in international system the periods are ones period, thousands period, and millions period. So in ones period the places are ones, tens, hundred, thousands period, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Just see, in Indian system only 1,000 and 10,000, but in international system 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000, and in million, million, 10 million, 100 million. Is it clear? So in international system, this is the table of the place values. There are also more periods like billions, trillions. Is it clear? Now come to cell practice 2C. Just see from your book, question number 1. Rewrite each of the following numerals using periods and places in the international place value chart. You have to write in the international place value chart. Also write their number names. So question number A. So first we write the place value chart, international place value chart. So this is the international place value chart. So ones, thousand, millions, right here ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So when you write, you just write from the ones place. You just write from the ones place. So first write 6, write here 6, then 2, then 0, then 7, then 9, then 4, then million, then here in 10 million 8, then 7. Is it clear? So this is the international place value chart. You have to write in this way. Now what you will do? We write the numeral. So numeral means you have to write in this way. Dear students, in Indian system, you keep commas first for 3, then for 2. But in international system, here 3 means 3 digits, ones, tens, 100, then also 3. Okay. Indian system only 1,000, 10,000, but in international system 1,000, 10,000, 100, 30,000. That's why here you have to give comma. Is it clear? So number name mean, that mean in what? Number name mean in what? So just see what will be. So in million, what is here? 780. In thousand, what is here? 497. And in ones, only 26. So how we did it? In what? 780 million. Is it clear? 497,026. Just see here 780, then 780 million, 1,000, 497,000, and only 26. I hope that you have understood how to write the number name. That means how to write in what. Now question number C. So this is given. So write in this way: 7 first, then 0, then 0, then 5, then 0, 0, 1, 7. So in numeral what it will be? This. Okay, dear students, give comma in proper place. Otherwise it will be wrong. Okay, I repeat it again. First for 3, then for 3 digits again, Is it clear? So number name what it will be? 71. You can say from here also. Just see if we separate it. This is for ones, this is for thousand, this is for million. So 71 million 5,000, 5,000 and 7, only 7. Question number 2. Write the following in numeral form in the international system. See, that means here number name. That means in what given we have to write in numeral. So how we write? Just see 730 million, then 685,000. Just separate into periods. 939. Okay, or you can do this in this way. First write the place values. Okay, write the places. Now just read in this way: 730 million. So just write here 730. 685,000. Okay, then 685,000. So write 685 and this place, that means 1000 place. And here it is 939. So just write 939. Is it clear? Very easy. Now question number C. 580 million 6,002. In the same way, 580 million 6,002. So here this is the numeral. Okay, this is on the table and here you write in this. Okay, so just give the commas in proper place. Next here, so just in this way you have to write 580, then 006, 6,000, 6,002. So 6,000. Okay, you can do this way. So what will be the numeral? So numeral will be 580, comma, after or for each period there is a comma. For ones period there is a comma. For thousands period there is a comma, and there is no numbers just before 5. That's why no need to put a comma. Question number 3. Write the following numbers both in Indian system and international system. Also write the number names for both the systems. So in B, first what we will do? Dear student, just this is the number given. So what will be the numeral? Numeral will be this. So what? How we will do? First you write these digits here. Okay, then what will do? Put comma. So in Indian system, you know, first for 3, then comma, next for 2, then comma, then for 2, then comma. Okay, so what will be number name? This is ones, this is thousand, this is lakh, and this is crore. So number name is 8 crore. You see, then 10 lakh and 40,768. So 8 crore, 10 lakh, 40,768. And in international system, what it will be? So you know, in international system, where you have to give commas here, or you can give space. First for this, then for this. This is ones, this is thousand, and this is million. Okay, so you can put these commas also. So what will be the number in what? 81 million. Just see M for million. 81 million 40,000 and 768. So right, 81 million 40,000 768. 768. Now question number D. In Indian system, first numeral is what? Dear student, first write in this way. First write the digits. Now just put the commas. So first for these 3, then for this 2, then for this 2. Okay, so what will be the new number name? Number name will be here this is for ones, this is for thousand, this is for lakh, and this is for crore. So 20 crore, 1 lakh, no thousand, 860, 860. And in international system, first in the same way you just write the digits. Now just give commas here, then again for 3 digits, after 3 digits. Okay, so this line and this line follow carefully. Here, where is the comma? First for 3, then again for 3. But in Indian system, where is the comma? First for 2, first for 3, then for 2, then again for 2, then for all for 2. So what will be the number name? Just see, 200 million, then 100,000, 100, then 1000. You have to write the periods. Here million, here thousands. So in this place, what is here? Here 200, so 200 million, 100, then 1000. Don't think in this way. Don't be confused also, because here 100,000. Don't be any confusion. Don't make any confusion. Just see here 100, but you have to write the period. So 100,000. Then what? 860. 860. Question number F. So I think you can do it now. So write this way, okay, then give commas, and now write the number name. 49 crore, 88,000, 88 lakh 17. And in international system, just write the digits, then put the comma here and here. Number name 498 million 800,000 17. Dear students, I repeat it again. Don't be any confused. Here 100,000 and here 800,000. Okay. So you have to write the periods, and here this is the number 800. Question number 4. Use the digits to write the number in both system, that means in Indian system and in international system. Write their number name. A, largest possible number, and B, smallest possible number. So in Indian system, just see the digits. Here are the digits. So when you write the largest possible number, so you have to write largest digit. So among them, what is largest? 9, then 8, then 7. So just write in this way, 9, 8, 7, 4. Dear students, just follow here. There is 2, 4. That's why I have written in this way. Okay. Now you have to put the commas. So first for this 3, then for this 2, then for this 2. Is it clear? So what will be the number name? 98 crore 74 lakh 43,210. Okay, so in international system, dear students, number will be same, just change will be in the commas. So this is the number, and put the commas first for this 3, then again for 3, and here already 3 given. So write the number name 987 million 443,210. So write in your copy properly. And what it will be the smallest possible number in Indian system? So first write, smallest possible number, first the smallest digit 0, but we don't take 0 first. First 1, then 0, then 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. So the number name is, dear students, before writing the number name, first give the comma, first for this 3, then for this 2, then for this 2. So the number name is 10 crore 23 lakh 44,789. Is it clear? And in the internal system, what it will be? These digits will be same. Change will be in commas. So just write 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 4, 7, 8, 9. Now just give comma here and give comma here. First for this 3, then again for this 3. So number name 102 million, then 344,789. Is it clear? So dear students, I hope you have understood how to write the international system. Okay, yet if you have any doubt, you please ask me. Practice this. Thank you and have a nice day.